asie se obi adidi watem se wo mpaboa se tunkusa wona asie o se obi adidi watem nipa ne mobile phone eni watem me do the first thing monyi ni mobile phones nyina amra ne enkohwe ade kura ewom because omususu se obi wa aban mu a oma abronye information na me no me obi a wo ba ka kire me se magidi IGP atem ntime mpa na chew na makwa akopa na chew ene de mo dwene sa no mo mfa sa asem ne nto ba bi na me nante o nti up information na ejina mu no ye koye nim ena nwumre nsem bebre ena ye den eguna pono so eye ame montru ne yetie ne se yakọ bie na anaba yakọ akodama baba no nkyere se ye ntu yeja obia ntimi hunahuna obia okrom ha o bia na me koye no me makotua me danka because minim sa mekọ enti rent de matua se mano me de akrono de ntimi fa me nko bie nai ene de obia ni me ha Ghana se MPP 8 years no MPP amamuo 8 years no ntimi mfa me ma Abronye enko national security asoe MPP amamuo 8 years ntimi mfa me ma Abronye enko police headquarters MPP amamuo 8 years ntimi mfa me nko bie na access dabi because setete Yohonu me susu se ne mpaboa so se et se tunkusa eba be chime ko police station na me ko duru ye na no usu obi adi watem me duru police station a usu me mobile phones wan na me say otonsa frɛ me anasa frɛ me mobile phones the first thing I me duru police station ya requested from me say me hand over me mobile phones and from Ghana police service meaning say mo track kwana me faso ye den enya me information ade ye maduma e wo hia TV na me ya brewa ba nti emu me kwase ya waton safre ni padua no me duru ye no me mobile phones e hia tete Yohonu acha me ankasa amaba nti se me mobile phone ni hode a asese ye hankofo me e de me kotum because ma so odene ye bisa mobile phone me se me ni mobile phones asa na me mobile phones ni o me baba kwa na ma hwahwehwem me hwahwehwem no ma hu ne mo bagye afiri me ho ne mo bahia afiri me ho enti saade na mo bahia afiri me ho no ma boaboa me ho ansa na me kɔ enti me mfa ma na wagye askane o no wahu mo a wo mo di information bra Abronye o nanka wona asie se obi adidi watem se wo mpaboa se tunkusa wona asie o se obi adidi watem nipa ne mobile phone eni watem me do the first thing monyi ni mobile phones nyina amra ne enkohwe ade kura ewom because omususu se obi wa aban mu a oma Abronye information phones no so de monsanka ati mo fa me nkotum because me ma so den phone pa baba de mo wagya me de fa me kotum se mobile phone na ma ne so de mbekwa kotum fa me kotum wo mo hankofo me wie ye nse de me kan ye me se na nado 8 years administration em fa me nko police station ye wie ya na mo se companies mienu ye hwehwemu na ye odia ye board na Asempa countryman. Yes, it's true. It's Abronye dia, I am media. Abronye communication and manning. I am media no kre. Aduma abanya aduma ba na dia na mse me na me see Jubilee House. Abanya aduma media yen say Asempa countryman me na me eno na me di see Jubilee House. Asempa countryman and I made see Rich Hospital in Tibontimentum. Because ultimate family mamma now when him and Miss Sammy questions ya a hunya Tina Sammy some mount answers ya hunya day, and here because throughout Sa companies way atena kroma the last 9 years enya aban adwuma da. Ba company no survival enya aban adwuma survival. A survival ntino. Upasa investigate ya. Mo investigate ya nkosi hu. Nti afeda mo pese mo amoti free me ho say ebia me ya adwuma bi na a whole government machinery mo pa Abronye achena mo investigate ya mo nya hwe emfiri no ho say ye pe bibi corruption bi di ayere no ntinu mo nya nwieye no nti saade ya wo da ye mfoso ne ye nkase wadidi IGP atem ne ye nyere no nti afeda me companies ye wie ya Adama obia publish say me 15 houses one crime. Aye azeka mankwa jare on na ye bono deputy program officer Edema Honorable Canada Japan and a Maswan Mahama ono na ye Canada Japan aye director of operations. Omone publishing on social media say 15 houses one crime. Ni nyina ye media. Mikoduriye no na CID officer set se wonu ebisa me say sa dan na Canada Japan crofo no publish say eye me Abronye dia no fa hin na ewo me nkonkwo kire omo me nkonkwo kire omo Wamre kwa mia nkasa matwere krata ade akwa bie na for said omu investigate sa 15 houses na omu say ye media no mikoko duru CID aso ya investigator said say onu bisa me say Canada Japan crofo na make omu publish ade no social media azeka mankwa jare ene Maswar Mahama say 15 houses no ebi wo dome ebi wo ha ebi wo kumase enti menkyere o mo location ene kwana me fa so me akwae nam say we anu ye ne simple me dini nyina sa dan dunum ni nyina no oman ntwehwem na me de ni nyina che oman Ghana na Ghana police service for kra mo personnel for no etoda bi o mu ni ba bi da nti ma free makoma mu me de sa dan 15 na Honorable Canada Japan crofo publish say ye me media no me akoma mu fita me de che man Ghana any Ghana police service for nti mo de na mo mfro mo no mo nkyere ba bia o me de minim na mo koko hu na ya Abronye dia me de che man Ghana 15 ni nyina me de che na mo wie so a enya sa me de che keke o mo wia mo nsa no mo me kwa du na me duru kwoto a nya fe na me kwa kasa enya me dia me duru kwoto a magi atum se ye me dia se be ya me ko afia sentem continue enti ugina obi social media yi a ono atwere eye Maswar Mahama director of Fresh in Canada Japan campaign team Bono region azeka mankwa jare ne deputy program officer say properties we nyina all because maka Canada Japan asem enti who ye CID officer who see didi IGP atem enti eno na ye ebe investigate ye duru ya atem asem no kwa wie properties ye obi a publish e o social media eno na omo kwa kan ho asem am say amon hwehwe mu wie a mu hu wie a me ademete say ye media na o man na di matum because nyasa me de check me wia ma e ready say mesena ko ho says because me nim kwa na me fa so ye den akwaye continue etinu wo mo awie ye me ne ba bi o mo di interview so kono interview ni kono any response wa e ba no ma hu say wo mo ankasa ni case nti ade atin ya kwadu o mo de ba ya na say what did the IGP attempt? Continue. Na me no me obi a oba ka kire me say. Ma did the IGP attempt me mpa na chew. Na makwa akwa na chew. Ane dia mo amodwene sa no. Mo mfa sa asem ne nto ba bi na me nante o. what's my didi matem, my didi watem dia, now kokotwa. Oh, my police at him because security or dia. Chimie, na me yasim babe jina kwa kase. Ai, my didi watem ntinu, Yohonu me babe power chow. Me babe power chow. Say wo to na say ya bom krofo aprepre omo mamoja tu omo wo safa ho eye ho 419 na wa ba be ka kirem say wo no ya kan wasem ntino esesa abronye meba ebe di kosua crate ebe power chow nyesa abatimatu na me no omo a wo musuro ses ho no amekọ hokra na me da pa me wo fie kura me ntimi na enti samadwe ne sai mo chi abronye mana mia na no dia ane agrobi na mudi o ana mo a mo nso mo se ai obi na abo ne dia ogoka obi ho asem ana nipa na ama na koses no me koye no udu abo ne nti se nipa na mo kase me koka ne ho asem ti na makose me koye no mudu abo nti ne mo kase ne nti makotua daneka sebe ya neta me kwa menya baabi ayeden ada eno no kire se wonsem na obegina ho puppet ne so ne wayi ne so aka no me ememe me se me koye no makwa kotua danka sebe ya neta na me kwa menya baabi ada neta na me kwa menya baabi ada etimam mfa ahunahuna bia me kroso mani so ne asese me katre mo me katre mo me Bible no me kan ya baabi a me ti ase pa no eye baabi atem no wo no Proverbs honom no eya me pe ho kan papa nti me kwa sorry ne se sofo an kan Proverbs honom na that day correction no ye da mete so
continue
wo ye da mete so because ho na nsem na nkasa ye dey e ho na bie nipa ma dwinum anti mamo nyama dwin se abane baba ye se omo amode achichi ebe hunahuna omo no maka omo no atum because omo suro bie na ase no me de me kwa meko because me dia me ditum se me nkofa obi ade me nyusu political power emfa minor deal enko ho sesi o na mom me nyaode a no di nsemfo a meka madwena kirew enko babia me wo ho a omo di petition ba be so omo di petition ba ye Kennedy nkrofo no e di petition be peso say ai we so monche no wo ho no eya mesere monche me wo ho because wo no ane na madi watem wo de baba beto aso ma men kan justice Torkono ensem no ene anumrei ene yensema e boroba because say yetna on my way ye baba tena o man Ghana ni ya yenhwe ha ama o machim ma menensa achinchim no adi judiciary no aso mu bottom tisani esi court na no na Wamu pasa omudi judiciary ni so mbotom free no mu control judiciary no adia ni yetna omanum say yen kasa dia international community akasa Ghana for mu si enhiamo ma memfa akonya we amen no biase supporters ni nyina ohia TV supporters host me kodi bia na ahweye empire so no kwa mo boye ene machi amobe sop the tire nyina Benghazi sa kodie Royal Kwasibotwe nom supporters base amode baye all the party rank and file the national executive the general secretary no UK otise me call remand and I say near all you traso eba or Ghana eba beduru the national youth organizer Motisa Ball Ali Meganom Mia me lawyer eye Honorable Kwadwo Opon Nkrumah no wa kwantuom oma ne partner ebegyina mu Daniel Mate Ado me ho kafo lawyer Posia a champon Abronye e kan lawyers no ho made ese so omoye bia omoye asida enye omodia the minority leader eye Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markins be born homodin jinamu e koba nyina no jinamu court jani oye bia the former national chairman ono ne wo record e wo MPP mu filisa yeti MPP amanyoku 33 years ni no one national chairman odi amanyoku no akọ elections mienu awe ni obia ni sa record no bi say yeti MPP amanyoku but any kwan say yetwan nana yi ase ne yekodi adanse enne ya Freddy Bray ebinu wa adwene bi say ofrisi people mu ne baaye nti e bona baso a enye yie eye wrong wo mo wo sa adwene ni bia no eye wrong obi free baabi ebe ya ade ni yie so far yeti MPP amanyoku he's the only national chairman our the party no akotu general elections no ware ni atinye bia obi antime nye sa ade ni mfiri ni nsam yes ononkwa aye chairman lawyer what's mau Bray ononkwa na what's our record no na hwe papa akokora na ahomate 4 na ne ho kani message na Bray aka na tikọ say sorentem na court Abronye ho aka adwam na orman aba abe legal team na asida pesie enye chairman wosi mau Bray e dia ne record ne de e wo ho a obia ntimi mbiti e wo MPP mo maye nye ya dwen se ofrisi people na baaye ebe seti sa record nti e bona baso a enye ye e bona baso a eye ye Honorable Godfred Odame na otu kwan akọ UK asem si ye otwa ne ticket so e cancel bibia e make sure say a week ni nyina obewa ha to make sure say a year beto ye aseda soronko enya ne dia Kwadwo Frimpong obabono mantamu a Honorable Ignatius Bafo awia Honorable Kwasi Amiatreme Honorable Afretuan ye bo anom nyina e de o ma hoden e ba be boy adofo a omu free achi constituency chairman e wo bono region omu nyina aseda pesie no enya omodia ewo achitaso no ho a omode ba maame ebra na ye kame kon atim atechem wo mreko amenye bone ye kame kon atim atechem wo mreko amemfom oman ne mra nti so obiti suna sorti ne morning show host to be kana sema akire na me reply sa nipa no se officer onu kroma na onu neti microphone nim na onu ni ti so chen obi na so wonyansa chen obi a e wo kroma ni nyansa no omfa nkire ne maade na ne ma no kosku o mabon omkwa pass na omkoye degree a pass ni fe na omde ba fie akire ye ba reply no eti chidoma mo ba boy nyina na kire se any party for across the 16 region all the constituency officers enyina polling station executive party full soldiers nyina chidoma mo ba boy maniso ne me metima ye de ma hoden aye ne se metina se ma ye sisi the new patriotic party na be ho asem na me kase me ko bie na itime nka de me sa de ne de ye mfa mama ni so ha ene de enka ho mia mofa lawyer obribu ahin omunyina ka legal team no mia madam fo afuakwa lawyer afuakwa omunyina aka ho bi ti me shamo bo say break na tene di ate ye ba huna MPP fo nyina ma o makwa akoda no ma me mepie eti kasa bebrebe tietia break so na no pa maka kire me wife say o the topics na wo so be hihya ama me e dia ye program e wo ohia TV ha no de wo hihya wi a achara be 4:30 be kofie wo ba kwaro me de another topics eno na metimi abomja amaka ni pafi eno na wa wonti ase no kofie a na wurawura eti break de o ka se tete break ya na se me ka e wo break de me nyi skanto me da bia me ka na mati break ni dada ena me nam nti adamu nyina ase na me to aso no na me twe ye nyina adwena siso se ade e ko so na no na ye se Ghana lawyer fo a o mu ka bia eyeye me legal team no o man no a lawyer fo bi no mu hu se ne e keka ko no so man sorry ankasa amfa ho a one state power no omu ya bisu no state power no intimidation ya yeden ya doso na aban no ya de boni wia na wa yusu judiciary no no mo de cement unlawful no amana ba be ye lawful enti o man no kosa level na esese ye very very careful so unya aban bi na se or exercise niema eye unlawful na or use judiciary no to cement that unlawful no e man be ye lawful a dangerous democracy a dangerous democracy a yes say a lawyer se fo no bi no sense say President John Dramani Mahama practice democracy bia a chen coup d'etat ban no man hu ntem because omo ya de boni a no omo de awura judiciary room na chese nya omo na ye so hwa me case ya esi ya na say IGP se madidi na tem na nka president akofo ado chia ewa atem ho a ko beti achi do Mahama aka ho se peda akofo ado echi ewa atem ho a ko beti achi do Mahama aka ho na IGP a onim na dwuma se me madidi na tem na video a ekita omo e kire se me madidi o matem no video mako miensa eno makeka si ani o wo mo besin ne Ghana Police Service entimi nya one video a ekire o makeka mako miensa entade ahodo be 9 eno wo video num eno mo keka si ani anti sa video we anti ya plan ne ma bone no no mo de ko judiciary na judiciary no oti anya yie no kosia animal farm judge na because first day me call ya de me call koduru court na no me lawyer se ne kasa nyina no na ruling na ye ready judge ne ba no pa no wa tire me ruling say over remand me on the 9th no anamaba on the unit on the 12th na ruling nikita no so me lawyer ne kasa wie ya obo na yini so a paper kitano or twin paper no free ni diary mu na already obi a lawyer aye argument no e se o si uti ase twere ruling no e wo lawyer na nim no oyi ruling no e free ni diary mu a da na nim sei e na okan before ansa na obayi kura no ne madika na hu that was the first day eti ya kwana na meka kire lawyer ne say me lawyer Daniel Mante ne say judge ne no watwere ne urule ne difrifie ade aba enti himfafo ne hu na ebra lawyer ne kasa wie ye no judge ne yi urule no efri ne diary mu na already himfafo ene ko hu no on Monday na nwumre na ne ruling aye ready himfafo ne ko hu no ye twa ruling on the 8th na najo na mom charge sheet no ye file no on the 9th no anopa ntimi ye ba arrange me e wo court no na judge no on the 8th na najo no why ruling e dia se ne darim say akwa ne ba ma remand no na me de ne call on the 12th no oba on the 12th a na masana remand no because or come up or can abide nasem. Ya call on the 12th no. Me do ya me jina daka muno. Me ya don't come in fan because the same thing a course on the 9th no, on the 12th no, so the same thing happened. A bra fanyoma kenum nyina afanyoma ken sorry ya. Na or request for bail no. Na judge no koko aye ready sin chain ruling aye ready da ho enti say lawyers no mo wadanum ho nyina ehuye ebra mo kasa wie ya no for the second time na judge na se na yi another ruling adi free ni dari mu biem wayi ni say F4 sheet no wasana yi o obi a wo lawyers ya ba wonim no waka kire o mo say wa mo kwan omo make o application no wuri aye ready e shall diary mu enti afanya nom nyina kasa wie ye no na judge no for the second time no was na yi ruling no eno kokotu Robert Mugabe migira nam se akwa se onsan nimade migira nam on se sa akwa no onsan nimade
continue
na wo obia nya dade na se ofa ne ruling na se wo kenkana na abahu grammatical errors
continue
grammatical errors wo obia wa first degree aye second degree LLB in law wo ko hwe ne ruling na grammatical errors a wo ruling mu you can't think far na it's good. Say lawyers ni nyina bisa say e kwan ben so kra na ofa so a o pass LLB no e kwan ben so kra na ofa so a o ko mokwala etimi pie ye circuit court. These are some of the questions that many lawyers ebisa including Martin Amidu. Including Martin Amidu. Na say ye see o mine ye dia tum say ye the democracy ye aduma. Democracy ye be ye aduma ma ye nyina ye dia tum ne say ade na nya ne ya sori say nye. So be you should state power at the intimidate na manfo a na moto omo fi say o eye MPP fo na ye intimidate omo until we don't care. Achina anye MPP case yo na mom ebeye ufi a wato ebeye prot a wato ebeye contract bi a uno obi wo na akwakopie wo court nefa aban bi nipa ho ne wakwakopie mu e wo judge bi say anim na ho na wo ba bekekam say manya fair trial manya say no obisa ho say na no ade ne start here no mimi contribution in some ben na meka e de condemn ye say what na say ofi say eye MPP na omo tete omo nti emfa ho say Ghana ni a etina bi eye different issue ade obekwa kopie wo court etina a different issue ade obeto abanyama niem na okwa wona aban na ekwa kodi na sa victimization na officer ye victimizing MPP for enti won ka ho asem emfa ho won ka ho asem no etina be ye 10 eno na ekwa wie ya yembulu a o man Ghana amanfo tie amanone international organizations atimi kachire ye say o man Ghana ekwana mode Justice Torkono first one no enye papa Ghana ya te se ya ye ho se ye hu hwe now ya file petition say Chief Justice ye remove no ye remove Chief Justice no enipa o remove Chief Justice no ene okan mo lobby say ye na appointing as a Chief Justice. The chairman of the committee, Justice Puaman, Chief Justice in Adi. Until now, Ukwa Supreme Court to say information I made a mamon and nanny say. The senior judges are more Siciano. Amadou Tanko, Justice Puaman, any Bafu Boni, morning. Morning, oh. Morning, and the what Supreme Court to CCA. Now, the question is that more namo say, as a second another danko akufo the day post no, Emma the most senior person, was Supreme Court to honor no. No ya better no, and let the most senior person, was Supreme Court to Justice Bafuboni. Adena masara money kwa kopre. What Justice for mine also ye senior nti se nka ye dia nka se wo kra na ye di Chief Justice mayate but won ye senior en temba fuboni nti se di senior kan sem na se ne mo kan no sa na tie dia eye da nei moni bafuboni e preposition no ho ene Amadou Tanko say campaign Amadou Tanko to become the Chief Justice and say Fitimira a different 1958 yenya Ghana School of Law ye establish Ghana School of Law say ye trainee yenya legal education or mining judiciary a different 1958 ba ku ahodo abam nyina no ekono yenya kramoni emane medi Chief Justice da enti Amadou Tanko compare all yen say for the first time no yema kramoni emedi Chief Justice Amadou Tanko compare all yen no o say yema kramoni emeye Chief Justice. The question me be san say your campaign message obi amfa ho namom enipa otenase senka ye hwe Amadou Tanko wo pass records e wo Ghana ha ene niam bi a waye as a judge Kananado Danko Akufo-Addo onfa unko Supreme Court. That is a fact and you know because one misconduct to the extent say one say be as say ko Supreme Court as say can no kra ne kire Amadou Tanko sa manfo nima me mama hu Amadou Tanko say Amadou Tanko ana wayomi case ni koduru na nima one wayomi atena se awiakete no mu bua asem no ema o man Ghana e boka 51 million Ghana cedis e yesa jeje hu asem na make yes, I judge you once I'm not making. Or my Gano, and to see the financial loss, can't send the you are not supposed to be there. Because who the case in Beto and him 1 year due diligent. I'm on my Ghana, actually 51 million Ghana cedis. Would ye Yamako Fia and ye Mebwa? Would ye your friend saying misstated behavior ne binono? And your misstated behavior ne binono. Say, case ya bawa nim. Now 1 year due diligent. Now on my Ghana, actually 51 million Ghana cedis. Would ye remove you as a justice of the Supreme Court? And answer Superior Court because we are that about all these things. Nina Koso But MPP as a political party overlook these matters and send you to the Supreme Court because of your religion. Because ye nya kramoni emanin koduru Supreme Court order until we send you there because of your religion. Na mumu koduru wa wiye no afen na mu be hu say MPP for ye nkwasiafo ntie kokko ye adwuma na party ni ba power na mumu de region ababe lobby na mu de sa region no awake tia the new patriotic party because ye jimi ye nam no after 31st no ye be ye nkwasi adwuma sa akopim say 2028 no ebia nkunimdie be ren ebeba na mumu tibabi because minim school wo wakwa chen me. Oh yes, minim school wakwa chen me. Na minim nyansa wo chen me. But what the religion and nam home ye do ko Supreme Court because you campaign message ni say Supreme Court to kramoni ko hoda MPP tie ye tie wasem e do koy. But the same person now officer religion ye papa ye nyina gitum say faith dia ye faith ukoye na esom na enu nti wudi ye campaign e de call Supreme Court mummi san say o de som no e na ye adwuma na odi nokre e ma som na na o timu up against Apontia officer saban na eboa wo amadu tanko maniduru amaduru Supreme Court honum ye hwe political background aka ye mfa nko Supreme Court wo because MPP ni bia nim say amadu tanko eye NDC ni but we send you there ye hwe political background ye mfa nko ho but ye do koy because nim say ye NDC ni all right but ye do koy ye nim say adwuma wo ye as a judge no politics na wo ye but we send you there ye no mon kwasiafo ye kokko ye campaign e man people by e man nya appointment ada na ndisi time man for anko Supreme Court wo ada na ndisi time wo man for anko Supreme Court wo ye no mon kwasiafo ye kokko ye adwuma ene ndisi aba official party aba entino appointia ono ya head of the judiciary no what team up with some people say moba victimize no because mo fi say ai osa momu ko law school jan o ko law school jana o ko Supreme Court jaw enti honom no seniority and ye di adwuma Oko law school jana ono no ko Supreme Court Torkono ko Supreme Court jao nti akofo ado de ne ko Supreme Court a ontinye but mo a ye no bi ye koye nkwase adwuma e ma party ni ba power mo banya appointment no ye nka se mo protect MPP bi me hia mo protection I don't need it amo be hia e be ba be homu but me tia me hia mo protection you can't protect me. Mutimu up say mo ba wakia tia Torkono mana kofie anamu wakitia wie ye no mo amu wakitia wie ye no sa fe da duru ho ana mo ti Supreme Court ho obisia ne nua onkasa ne ho because akwakoye say lobbying bia start e wo Supreme Court ho ento obi nkasa obi oya asro ya ena ekoso Supreme Court nei oya esro ya na say what this kind of judiciary as senior judges our Supreme Court enkasa akayo astati because ekwana mo faso man the head of the judiciary ekofie no anye kwampa enti mo matwa mo ho eko because Kolende atiesim operative justice yadi Kolandi atiasim operative justice yadi wo mu nyina wo nim hawa wo mu scheme ade no yes Amadu Tanko operative justice yadi omo gia free bafo boni nsam enso ye kan so na ye the most senior say enti se nye anibra na yamode a mo amu lobby sisi ano bibi ada edi adanse se mo ye anibrafo wo mo amu lobby sisi ano ai bibi ada omo lobby say yemfa chief justice ne mo amu instead say President Mahama be maintain bafo boni no wo mo ye anibrafo nanka nyeka na nka ebane sign na committee na yete edi remove Justice Torkono no committee chairman na onu wo Supreme Court honom no wono na ye recommendation say Justice Torkono yenyini mfiri honom no ene onu lobby say yemfa chief justice ne ma no enti mo say wo ye proper assessment wo ye proper reasoning wo ba ka kire me say committee no wo mo ye o madwuma yie say me ye de adwuma ba bejame ye say asase we ya te committee say ye ntwehwem na ma ye report as a committee chairman na ma ye report to say ai asase no ye nyema ban me ye recommendation we aban jirie na aban ton na me as a committee chairman no makwa akoto wo conscience extra saying legally extra committee na ankasa no one exercise fairness justice to aman say justice to aman to me sorry say or chief justice ya dia any recommendation na or the command President Mahama no raise some questionable issues will be wom the committee work no committee na nya fair judicial bias be ye den ekoso committee chairman ya who recommend this say yenyi chief justice ya di ya da sorry ya committee chairman ne nam tokurom say yenyi chief justice ne ma no ne ye ngo bafo ni nkofie and mu say recommendation no committee na ye na dwuma yie Ghana lawyers the moment here Justice Puaman Gabriel Puaman kra no abeka ho wo mo pe chief justice no wo ye lawyer nia na so nimra wo legal background bia na se entos ni dia so hu se ekwana mo fa so remove ye Justice Puaman recommendation no ye because of the parochial interest and yet the interest of the nation. Yes. Anti Ghana fo nyina ani a lawyer fo a mo wo kroma nyina no mo men ka no kora man ho say ade justice for man astatia all year all lobby say all chief justice no anti mo free say oye adwuma papa and the command President Mahama mo free say adwuma papa and the command President Mahama as our mind Babia nko starting lobby nano ka justice for mine come put pressure for him to resign from the Supreme Court because wanye na duma yi o manya no kra yi aduma o manya transparency yi aduma no ka bana no ka justice for mine attempt o make say yena pointino as a chief justice no or mind be a serious one ka demonstrating ka ya put pressure on him nanko no ankasa I resign from the Supreme Court because wanye na dwuma ye as a committee chair recommendation no ye no or ye say e chena position ni ba beto ha no wakwa lobby into onya fit to be there. Yes. O man bay we ase ba bia no asade no basi say yate committee kwada no na hwehwe asemu asene ba beto ho wie ya wa wo da no wo pese o benefit only Ghana. Only Ghana. When you say, Womokita legal brains, I create judgment, will chroma. No, Musi more be and can was them. Ugo can you sit at your break in their pie. A kwana omode, Justice Torkono fast or no, a second of correct nipa. Na, obi ye petition. Say the Chief Justice as the head of the judiciary, yeninu because we misconduct no. Na me te say bomb for lawyer bi e chekremu ai they remove say Chief Justice there and Chief Justice no any Supreme Court judge ni nyina ya de kro nti ya ka bom ni nyina tito kofie. You see, me won the last time men kai say me be kra wo ha be the 1992 constitution. The appointment of the Chief Justice. The appointment of the Chief Justice under the 1992 constitution. A two requirements and necessary meeting. What you say? The president appoint the Chief Justice in consultation with the Council of State and approval of Parliament. A two requirement. Sana o constitution. Obi wo any other requirement the president appoint the Chief Justice in consultation with the Council of State. Chief Justice the no. Two requirement way as a say president here then. I say every Chief Justice be a appointeno or meeting. And so lawyer bit to me general radio be. I can say the appointment of the Chief Justice and that of the other justices of the Supreme Court no are the same. You see? Mutitimwa na mudumani fabukunum na mu pie baseya ni aka e concept. Niaka ya ningwasiye. Ufa other justices of the Supreme Court wa. On advice of the Chief Judicial Council. Uda meke kankona mi wia me kamepe provision in their tomb. Ufa other justices of the Supreme Court wa. Appointment in a year. On the advice of the Judicial Council, in consultation with the Council of State and approval of Parliament. Three requirements. Other justices of the Supreme Court, three requirements ought to be met. That of the Chief Justice, two requirements ought to be met. Until the same in any manner. The same now lawyer no eko gina ha assembly because assembly ye popular into a person can be more who say or lost certificate into three requirement no any man here moko kwa certificate ni ba be good than na se mfuturo egusua mo say Jumi lion ka bi atwama utimi ditum obi ansi ukwan na mom sa assemble ba o pesa trese ya frɛ lawyer wo so kyerɛ wadwene adwene bonto adwene mo kyerɛ ni nyina no eye adwene bonto ye ka kyerɛ mo praying adwene enuru ba bia enkohu wo constitution na mo pesa mo danani no mo danani kura na enyere emfa every fine na mo tinchim nsa mo wie ya mo say e de se ma mene ba be pa mo chaw because mo remove no as a Chief Justice mo remove no as a justice of the because you the can appoint no as a justice you the can appoint no as a justice of the Supreme Court and to a converting because on the advice of the Judicial Council, in consultation with the Council of State and approval of Parliament, and Yama me and Sawe before Justice Torkono Ebeko Supreme Court a requirement me and Sawe as so meeting. Nti appointino as a justice of the Supreme Court, Emane ko ho vetting. Nti eno da ho. Ye the Chief Justice ne so no, osan ko vetting. Because kay the same dia. Adana yanka say, what they can appear before the vetting committee as a Justice of the Supreme Court, and to whom he has another vetting. We must make sense here so far as that argument is concerned. We must begin to reason well. If say you will legal branch in India. Someone say appointment of the Justice of the Supreme Court and the Chief Justice the same day. Yet there will be Supreme Court no appear before vetting. The Chief Justice or some appear before vetting. The same. Why that?